Hello, my name is Mary Barrelson. I'm president of Chapter XE in Truckee, California, and I am so pleased that you have found this PEO Chapter ABC digital yearbook template. I'd like to show you how you can easily transform this information for your own chapter so that you guys can also have a digital yearbook. So basically, when you get this app, it'll look like this. You can see that there is information on general PEO information with all these different categories. Some of them are generic and some of them you put your information in. For example, your reciprocity bureau, you're going to put your name of your reciprocity bureau in there in the parentheses. And where it says Chapter ABC presidents, you're going to put chapter, for in my case, XE president. So you figure out what you are going to put in place of these placeholders. So this is basically the beginning of our yearbook. I wanted to point out a secure feature of these Glide apps made with Google Sheets is that they can be password protected because, we're concerned about that. We want to make sure that our information is kept within our own sisterhood. This is just an internal private app that only our sisters can see. And like I said, you can be password protected for your chapter. So along the bottom, there's some tabs here that are also repeated back on the home page. So there's home, sisters, directions, calendar, and did you know? Some of them have two places to go to. So you could go to the sisters or the sisters to get to that information. So let me just show you how you might change something. So this is actually the template for you. So you can see that it's editable right here. So if I went into sisters here, and you can see I've used the 7 founders as our active sisters, and then I have a little break for maybe where non-resident sisters go, and then transferring sisters, inactive sisters, and chapter eternal. So if we look at Frank Rhodes Elliott's page, and we click on her, we can see she has an image, she has an address, she has a telephone number, a home phone number, an email, and then I included a biography about some of these sisters if I could find them online. So basically, if you wanted to change this to your sister, you would change this, and I'm just going to do one and then undo it. So maybe you're going to change this to your name, Barrelson Mary. And I started PEO in, I think it was, 1997 or something like that. And then I could change my address and I could change my phone number. So like I said, I'm just going to back up and change this back to our dear founding sisters. Oh my gosh, word by word. Okay, letter by letter. So you can change these things and then just hit done afterwards. Go back. So that would be how you could change these, and then you can also add another person to your sisters list. When somebody shares this with you, you'll use this QR code to read it to your camera, or you could just go to this link right here, copy this link, and that's how I was able to go to a new page and see this app as it would appear online, because some of our sisters are truly traditionalists who might feel more comfortable with using an app that is on their computer, not just on their device. So I'm going to go back to the original page.